In this part of the section, I would like to share some of the incubation practices in poultry farming. Incubation is the process of hatching eggs, and it can be done naturally or artificially. First, let's talk about the natural incubation. Starting with the process. In natural incubation, hens sit on their eggs to keep them warm and turn them periodically. This method relies on the instinct of the bird to provide the right conditions for embryo development. Let's see the advantages. Low cost and minimal equipment required. Natural turning and humidity regulation. Now, let's see the challenges. Not all breeds exhibit broodiness. Inconsistent incubation if the hen is stressed or disturbed. Now, moving on to the artificial incubation. Starting with the process. Artificial incubators provide controlled conditions for egg incubation, including regulated temperature, humidity, and automatic turning. Let's see the advantages. Higher control over incubation parameters, leading to improved hatchability. Ability to incubate eggs from breeds that are not naturally broody. Now, let's see the challenges. Requires investment in quality equipment and energy costs. Must monitor and adjust conditions regularly to avoid failures. Now, let's see how you can manage incubation conditions. Successful incubation requires careful management of the following conditions. First of all, temperature. Maintain a constant temperature of 37.5 to 37.8 degrees Celsius, 99.5 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, throughout the incubation period. Fluctuations in temperature can reduce hatching rates or cause developmental abnormalities. Then, humidity. Relative humidity should be kept at 50 to 55% for the first 18 days and increased to 65 to 70% during the final 3 days. Proper humidity ensures the eggs do not lose too much moisture, which is essential for chick development. And lastly, turning. Eggs should be turned 3 to 5 times a day to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell membrane. Automatic incubators often have built-in turning mechanisms, while manual turning is required for simpler models. Let's see a successful case study. A small-scale poultry farmer in rural Wales started using a simple, homemade incubator for his layer eggs. By carefully monitoring temperature and humidity with a digital thermometer and hygrometer and manually turning the eggs several times a day, he achieved a hatch rate of 78%. This success encouraged him to invest in a more automated system, further improving hatchability and reducing labor. I believe this part of the section has helped you learn more about incubation practices in poultry farming. I will see you in a new video. Good luck.